Sit quietly, relax, and take several deep breaths while scanning your body for any areas of tension. Release that tension by breathing deeply into those areas. As you sit in meditation, reflect on the power of your mind and how you use it for your good. Do you fill your mind with information, or do you seek knowledge and wisdom about the higher truths of life? Do you think thoughts that support your happiness, or ones that punish and belittle your spirit? Can you find joy and ease in self-acceptance, love for yourself, and appreciation for your life just as it is? Know that you are a gift to the world and think loving, good thoughts about yourself now. Remember, the voice is trying to assist you by showing you any limitations you might have. Feel the palpable and overriding nature of the factual errors expressed by the critical voice and its impact on your life experiences. Feel the complete absence of evidence, as the information coming from the critical voice is based on old programming. Do you want to experience bliss? Are you willing to live your life in that state now? Your work is to have sufficient trust and substantial faith, coupled with the deep experience that you are loved, to allow this to unfold. It takes commitment, wisdom, and love. Think of a beautiful memory that stands out in your mind, anything that touched your soul, and remember the feeling you experienced when you had that experience. Allow yourself to be transported to this place where you were touched by this beauty, and take that experience into your heart space. Allow it to soften your heart and keep your spirit fueled. Allow this beautiful memory to shine its light on your world. In this moment, there is only peace. There is beauty all around you, bliss within you, and you feel serene and calm. Nothing can destroy this feeling. You are anchored in the truth of who you are. Choose this place, this space, whenever you wish to rest in peace and tranquility.